Hey, I want to show you something that I think is phenomenal. Not this and this alone, but the fact that conventional medicine is really starting to figure out, especially in the real major medical journals that really deal with medication and the new medication and all this stuff that has to do with drug therapy. They're really starting to figure out how the human body works and how natural medicine can make a difference. So probiotic therapy, which I've just been a huge fan of for 20 years, is using good bacteria in the intestinal tract so that everything works again. Well, in JAMA, the Journal of the American Medical Association, they've just come out with this whole gigantic article on the Human Genome Project and how the human genes don't seem to be enough to create enough information to explain how great our bodies are and how they work. Well, it turns out their theory, and I think it's right, is that probiotics share their genes with us and provide an information system so that our body can be way more capable, so that basically you can eat a food that your genes and your body couldn't quite figure out or process properly, but the probiotics can. They can take that food, process it, and then present us with a product or a type of nutrient that we can't make by ourselves. And we have 5 times as many probiotic bacteria, viruses, parasites around us on our skin, in our nasal passages, in our GI tract that actually help us. They're our friends. And they not only share the ability to break down foods and provide that, but they also share their genes. So they can actually give us the ability to have a much greater capacity to function. So what does that mean for you? Well, it means that if you take antibiotics, you may be killing off some friendlies. You may be killing some good bacteria that actually give you the ability to function at your best. And the conventional medical world is getting it right. You can refer to the JAMA of April and say, look, just lately, everybody's figuring out that probiotics are important. They're important to you. And it's important that you know that antibiotics and any other medication that affects your probiotics are to be taken with extreme care. So if you have a bug or a little infection, make sure when you talk with your doctor that you say to him, hey, any way that I can avoid antibiotics, I want to avoid them because I want to keep my body whole and sound. Always work with your doctor. We're better together.